TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 1 p.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday. 3 hours left to go in the trading day, and we got markets accelerating higher right near the highs of the session. S&P's up 32 points, more than a full percent, trading at 3,113. I got to get it new terminology. We got the Dow above 26,000, 26,135. That's up almost 400 points. NASDAQ positive by 43, trading at 96.52 as the NASDAQ approaches all-time highs. Russell 2000 up almost 3%, 42 points in the green at 1460. And we have the VIX approaching a 25 handle at 2603 right now. We'll start things off, and we'll start it off with a chart of the S&P. So we just make highs within about the last 2.5 hours. We're looking at, I'll zoom it in. That high taking place right at about 11:30. We're currently trading at 31.10, the highs of 31.17. You see the acceleration begin at about 7:30 a.m. this morning from a low of 3,087. We trade up 30 solid points to 31.17. We're just off those highs. NASDAQ 100, a little bit of a different story, kind of just hanging at these price levels, trading at 96.65, the high of 97.03. The Dow up 420 right now. We were up to 26,187. We're now trading at 26,120. Jumping over to crude trading 36.51, the high 38.18. We got EIA numbers this morning, adding to a little bit of the volatility. Jumping over to gold down quite a bit today, extending the losses from yesterday from 1730 down to 1690. Back to 1702. Silver contract under $18, 1793. In terms of what else you have happening in terms of companies making moves, Cheesecake Factory. Check out this acceleration from yesterday at $20, even overnight from 21, now up 20% on the session for Cheesecake Factory. And what does that have to do with? That has to do with the company said that about 25% of its establishments are now open with limited dining room capacity, and that they're capturing about 75% of last year's sales. If that's how quick of a rebound it is, folks, things will be that's far exceeding expectations. 75% of last year's sales with only limited opening, and I imagine they're going to improve on that number. The company said it plans to have 65% of its restaurants by mid-June. And what else we have happening? How about Zoom following on their earnings last night? Zoom up more than 5%. Stay tuned, folks. Steve Rhodes live at 1 o'clock. Dave White live at 2. Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 4. We'll be right back.